Okay, what about me? Huh? What if I get horny? I mean, you're a thank you present, right? I mean,
Why is it the worst thing a guy can imagine happening to a woman is that she fucks some other guy?
I never said that. That's not what I'm driving at.
Well, what are you driving
I don't
at?
know, okay? So, there, I don't know. I do what I can for people, but I'm no warrior, I'm no hero. Sorry.
I'm not asking you to save me, Wayne.
So you need to be saved, right? Tell me, you need to be saved, right?
Look, for the next 5 days, let's just pretend we're your basic normal couple.
Normal.
Watch TV with me.
Yeah, TV, right.
Frank! Stop it! Stop the machine, Frank!
Don't pull that switch!
Wayne, could you put your arm around me?
Where's Vazik?
He said he'd blow up the dam.
If you don't want to do anything, that's okay with me. I'll go with that.
Okay, I don't want to do anything.
Good. No, it's okay.
Sweet man, you know that.
Oh, hey, no kidding. If you don't want to do it, it's okay.
Open your lips.
Why not a kiss? Yeah, I should do some sit-ups.
Right now?
No, I mean, in general.
Are you my hero? Oh, my man. You're a sweet man.
Watch out for next time.
Fair enough.
I haven't made love in 2 years.
Made love. I like that. Talk like someone out of the Round Table days. Sir Lancelot. Yeah.
The thing about photographing death, there's no dignity in death. The body can't defend itself. Can't pull its skirt down. Can't close its mouth. Cops are walking around a crime scene, everything's a joke. And what you're photographing on the job is like the worst kind of helplessness. You know why I became a cop? My father, his whole life he was a sales clerk in a hat store. A real invisible man. Spent his whole life doing that, taking shit from people. And I was so afraid I'd wind up like him. I panicked and I became a policeman. Kind of overreacted.